Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll walk you guys through step by step to how you can request a ride for someone using the Bolt application. Okay, so in case you have not known how to sign up with the Bolt application, I'll drop a video in the description of these videos for you to go and watch and see how to sign up with the Bolt app. So after that, now let us open the Bolt application together. Okay, so when you get to your Bolt application and then you have already signed up, what you're gonna be seeing here is where to option, and then you can see the search tab from here. Just click on it, and then your location, your current location will be highlighted. It will be generated. So what you're gonna be doing now is to tap on it and then clear everything. All right, so now you have to input the location to where the person you want to order the ride for. Okay, so what you'll be doing is to call the person and then ask him the particular place he is currently in. So if the person gives you the information, you start by inputting the location to where the person is. Okay, let us take Lekki for an example. This is currently, let's say this is where the person is. Okay, now the destination is actually where he's heading to, so the person will also tell you where he or she is heading to. Now you got to put it in the second option, that is the destination. You click on it and then put the destination. So you have two types of boat. You have the ordinary boat and the business boat. You can see the prices that are here. Okay, 2,100 naira and 2,600 for the ordinary, 2,300 to 2,800 for the business. All right, so when you select any one that you want, and then you can see I have selected the first one, which is the ordinary boat, which is 2,100 naira to 2,600 naira. I'll click on it, and then you can see my payment method is actually highlighted as cash, depending on your own selection. But wherever you see cash, if it is by cash or by card, whatever it is the person you are ordering the ride for that is going to be holding these two things. Either he's with his ATM or he is with cash. And then make sure you tell the person that the price that the boat is actually going to be collecting from him or her. So after that, you click on select boat. So now this is the next step where you have to see the price. Okay, so here you go to see any notes for the driver. It's a question, so just tap on the message icon and then start by saying hello sir. Okay, let's just hello sir, I am requesting this trip for someone. After you have you are done with the note, you click on add note. So after you are done that, you click on confirm order. Okay, now it is connecting to your driver. Okay, so now you got to see that a driver has been chosen, and then you can see the driver's name, and then this pops up. Is this trip for someone else? So now you got to tap on yes. Okay, here you have to share ride details. Okay, now what you'll be doing is to copy the ride details, or you just go ahead and click on the share button so that you can share the information to the person you are ordering the ride for, maybe on WhatsApp or on Facebook. Okay, or you go ahead and copy the link. Okay, now after you have copied the link, you're gonna be seeing the information about the boat. So you guys can actually see that I got a call from this driver when he was calling, so the network was somehow. So the driver is actually going to call you, and then you're going to speak with the driver, tell him, hey, this is why I'm ordering this, and then you can see I have two messages here. You can click here to see the messages. He says, I'm here, where are you? Okay, let's just ignore this for now, and then you can see a lot of things that you know. So the driver is actually in the location that you actually told him to go pick up the person from. So okay, like I said, I I forgot to say something. Let me go to my WhatsApp, and then, okay, for example, you're gonna paste that information to the person you are ordering the ride for, and the person is just going to tap on the link, and then it will take the person to a browser, and the person can now see both the car, the person's car, the place number, and where he's currently in. You see, the driver is actually in Lekki phase 1, where we actually told him to. So give so you can now start by, you can tap on the chat tab and then click on the call button, and then set the person's number to the driver so that he can call the person. And or you give, just call the driver and then tell him whatever thing you have to tell him. Give him the number to the person's, to the person, and then they will talk, and then that is it. So guys, if this video was kind of useful, you can also drop that in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to this channel for more important videos. Okay, bye bye.